Welcome to our Video Analytics one-on-one interview series. I'm super happy to have Aaron here. Aaron is the Senior Technical Marketing and Training Manager over at Hanwha. Welcome, Aaron.
Hi there, thank you for having me.
Genetec and Hanwha, of course, have a great partnership, so let's start off with the most important thing. What kind of outcome can we deliver together to our end users?
Yes, so our goal is to provide actionable intelligence to our mutual customers so that they have license-free analytics, they have intelligence, they have data they can search on across a wide range of products, no longer needing to choose a specialty model for analytics, for AI, for forensic search, and being able to choose across a wide range of camera models, styles, and across the different lines.
So they will get the same experience whatever model they take essentially in Security Center.
Exactly right. So in the past year, we've upgraded the plugins so that what used to be known as an AI plugin just for those specific cameras is now upgraded so you get a wider depth of feature sets and the personality of our cameras into that plugin that allows us to obviously interact with our metadata and our AI, but also other feature sets as well. And in this past few months, we've been expanding our AI across the board to our T-series, those vertical specialty cameras, thermal cameras, into our multi-sensors, our Q-series. So really, it's a product feature set. And then you guys have done a great job of getting that integration so that our LPR solution, so if someone says, I want this camera with this LPR, I want these analytics, it can all come together.
Okay. And just to be clear, you're talking about the plugin in Security Center, so users can directly access all the information in Security Center.
Exactly, correct,
cool.
Yes.
Okay, so you talked a little bit about features, but in general, what are the top 3 things that stand out at Hanwha?
When AI first came out, it was buying a special model specifically for AI. Now we have a variety of AI models. So you can choose, do I need that forensic search? So I want to be able to say, look for a person in a blue shirt, look for the red car, being able to see that metadata. Not everyone needs that. Some people just need the object detection. They just want to be recording or alerting notification when there's a person or a vehicle going the wrong direction or a person in an area where there shouldn't be people. So we can use that AI, filter out the false positives from traditional motion detection, traditional pixel-based analytics, enable that into Security Center, again, all license-free, built in from the camera, the metadata streams to the VMS. So that's the biggest piece there.
One thing in general that comes to mind when you think about video analytics, of course, is AI. AI powers all the video analytics nowadays, but that also begs the question how we're dealing with AI. Responsible AI is something that's very topical in the IT industry. It's coming over to the security industry, although it's still pretty new. Can you tell us a little bit about how does Hanwha deal with responsible AI?
Yeah, so that's a very important topic. When we look at, there's 2 aspects to it. There's how we develop AI. So we have our own R&D center that's doing AI. We also have an AI center we opened up here in the US recently. So we're developing our own AI. We're working with industry best practices, and open data sets out there. But the important piece is that we're not creating something malicious, right? We're not looking to create attributes that could be used in a bad way, right? We're looking for vehicle color. We're looking for clothing color of people, basic things like that a security operator will need on an everyday basis. There are other AI applications out there that could be used in a more nefarious way that we're kind of taking hands off and we're not going to categorize people and things like that, or aggression or other things that there's so much room for nuance and mistakes. So we're not doing that. We're kind of doing the general classifications that you would see out there, and we're constantly retraining the data set. We recently split apart our AI from our camera firmware. It allows us to update the AI core of the camera more often without directly impacting the camera.
Okay.
So when we need to retrain it, when we need to add in a new feature set, it's easier to do that to make sure that we're getting the best performance possible from it.
Okay, very, very cool. You already shared a few new things, that it's a wide range of cameras or so. Is there anything else you want to share? What's new with Hanwha?
Yeah, so we got a couple main things. We have our new multi-sensors going up to 4K on a quad sensor. We have a 5-headed one with quad sensors and a PTZ. They all have AI, they have IR, they're amazing, more compact, easy for integration, saving on licensing, saving on mounts and installation time, all of that. We also have our Flex AI, which allows you to custom train the camera on a specific object. So if you want to be notified of like a forklift, and when it deviates and goes to an area it's not supposed to be, we can get that alerting. It flows with the metadata, goes right into the plugin, so that can be custom trained and then searched for that. And then, like I mentioned, we're constantly updating our AI and the firmware. And so, for example, we got a lot of feedback. People wanted more analytics. So we added in a slip and fall detection. And so that just is an upgrade to the camera, and then that will flow right into the plugin to be able to then search for that, again, that unusual event of something happening, and that's important for customers to see, so they wanted that, so it's being deployed into our cameras now.
Very exciting.
Yes.
Aaron, thanks for the update.
Thank you, good to see you.